to indicate an additional quantity or amount. More time, more money, more food. We need more time to finish the project. She saved more money for her vacation. Can I have more food, please? To express a higher degree or intensity, more interesting, more exciting. This book is more interesting than the previous one. The movie was more exciting than I expected. The view from the top is even more beautiful. To show an increase in number or frequency, more people, more ideas, more often, more people joined the event this year. We need more ideas for this campaign. She visits her grandparents more often now. To indicate preference or desire, more important, more necessary, more desirable, it is more important to focus on quality than quantity. This feature is more necessary than others in the app. That house seems more desirable due to its location. To compare two things or situations. More than, more of, more likely. This painting is worth more than the other one. She. It is more likely to rain tomorrow than today. Common collocations with more or less, more and more of the same. The presentation went well, more or less as planned. More and more people are adopting sustainable practices. I expected a unique idea, but it was more of the same.